Vintage Girl Next Door. My name is Lacey, and today I have kind of a two-in-one video for you. So we are going to be testing out a vintage gadget. This 1955 cookie press by Miro. And also I'm going to show you how I made these super cute Christmas cookies. Okay, this vintage gadget was given to me by the sweetest lady. You've heard me talk about her before, Miss Betty Jean, and she gave me this cookie press, brand new, never used, in the box, because she got it as a gift and she already had one. So she just kept it for 60 some odd years and then thankfully gave it to me. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. It came with this nice little book, it has recipes, it has other products from the same brand. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try some of these other recipes, I think, because a lot of these sound really fun. But on the list for today, like I said, is Christmas Spritz cookies. So I'll show you really quick how the cookie press works. So this is what it looks like. I've got the Christmas tree in the end, and basically you put whichever attachment that you would like, the shape that you want your cookies, and then you open it, you load the dough, and then you put this back on, and you turn the end threaded, so then as you rotate it, that flat piece presses the dough out. And so this is a nice little guide. You set it on your cookie sheet and give it a couple of turns so you can see the dough, pull it up, and go to the next one. So yeah, it's super easy, it works amazing. This vintage gadget I used it last year to make these same Christmas cookies, so it's not gonna be a first impression brand new test, but it will be a demonstration. So we'll go with that. It also comes with all of these amazing attachments. They're so cute. So today I used the Christmas tree, I used this little swirly, I don't know, I thought it kind of ended up looking like a poinsettia, maybe. And I also used this one that's kind of like, looks like a wreath. So yeah, if you want to check out the cookie press in action and see how I made these cute Christmas cookies, then stick around. Okay, here we go. So for our cookies, first thing we are going to soften 1 cup of butter, and I actually find that these turn out a little bit nicer if it's like almost melted for the butter. So here we go with that. Then we are going to add 1 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, or whatever you would like to call it. We're going to mix that together. I'm scraping the sides there and giving it another little mix. Then we're adding in 1 egg. Making sure that is nice and mixed up. Then a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. I'm gonna give that another mix. And scraping the sides again. Now we're gonna add our flour, and that is 2 1/2 cups of flour. And just gonna add that kind of gradually as it's mixing. And that makes quite a kind of a firm, like dense dough. You can see it's kind of like pretty dense there. And I am going to do 2 different colors of cookies. So I am separating out half of the dough, and then I am adding some green food coloring to this half and mixing that in. See, we have a nice green. And then this half is going to be red. So I added that in, got that all mixed up, and now I am just covering the red and putting it in the fridge to chill. And first we're going to use the Christmas tree. And so I'm just loading in the dough into the cookie press, and you don't necessarily have to refrigerate this dough, to be honest. Like, it actually works pretty well just right out the gate. It's like thick enough that it will hold the shape. Okay, and now you can see I am pressing out the cookies. Little Christmas trees, and I'm very sorry that I can't zoom in any more than this. My editing software is on the phone right now, so it's a little hard to do these little details. So hopefully you can see the little trees. There, I show you, and now I am putting those in the oven at 375 degrees, and you bake them 6 to 8 minutes. You don't want to brown them, so I just cook them 6 minutes exactly. It just depends on your oven. Okay, and now I am going to give them a glaze and sprinkle with some pretty little sprinkles. So I am just dipping them in, and the glaze is very simple. It is just 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, and then mix that with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water just to get to the consistency that you like. And then you could probably just like actually glaze them on the cookies, but I'm just dunking them right in there. And then just dunking a bunch and then sprinkling on the little sugar crystal sprinkles. I think that they turned out really, really cute, and I love this cookie press. And if you are ever thrifting and find one, I say pick it up, because it is such a fun vintage touch to add to your holiday cookies. Okay, so thoughts on the cookie press? I love it. It is so awesome. It works perfect. Thanks so much for watching. I sure hope that you enjoyed this fun little vintage gadget / Christmas cookie making video. And if you did, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to give me a thumbs up. I sure appreciate it. And I am wishing each and every one of you a fabulous holiday season. I hope that you are able to do things that you love with the people that you love. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!